Hi Tina, this is a video I shot today. I don't have internet, so I'm gonna have to just film it off the computer. So this is today, and then later, I think I'm gonna send you one. I hope you get the, hope it's not too big. I'm gonna send you one. Well, maybe I could download it to YouTube. When they were putting the house together. So this is today, December 13th, 2020. First time I flew this drone in a long time. Yeah, so that's my field too. You'll see like a line in there. That's pretty much the end of the property, but it goes all the way to the corner. I think the front length is 879 feet. And then it goes back like about 650 and and then another 800 something in the back end. So that's the garage. Let me see if I'm getting this whole thing in here. Yeah. So my drone is okay, but I need a better one. And that's the back of the house where you see the truck. And you see those two planks there? That's what I use to get the washer and dryer into the house. Those two planks cost me $130. They're like 18 feet long. So yeah, this is the side back of the house. Oh yeah, I was trying to see, there was a hole in the roof. They fixed it. I'm trying to see if I could find the screw, but I don't think so. The angle is too wide. And then later on, I'm gonna tell you about an app. I don't know if you know about it. You can see all the constellations. It's very accurate. So I think we cleared out maybe an acre to put, the house and the garage on there. It's a steel garage, red, white, and blue. I gotta put my flag up. Right now the flag should be upside down because, there's me, because they stole the election from President Trump. And those are the stairs that they put up, they're not attached to the house, so eventually I guess I'll take them down and do something else. I actually want to build a ramp, kind of like a wheelchair ramp, It's always good to have. It's easier to actually go up a ramp than the steps. And this is going back. I'm trying to go back into the field and not lose sight of the drone. Actually, I did later on, but yeah, well, this is December, so everything's changed. The leaves have changed. Pretty though. So this is the first time I'm seeing this video because I just found the adapter because I couldn't find the adapter, and I found the adapter to play the little thumb drive. And I don't know what that shiny spot is over there on the left. I don't know. That's it's a little reflection from the kitchen light. I'm gonna have to put this on YouTube. I think it's gonna be too long. Let me see. Oh, there's a house. Wait, I'm trying to figure out what that is. Somebody's house back there. Cool. Okay. A lot of trees. So I probably got about, let me say, I probably got 2.5, 3 acres of, flat land, like farmland. And so I got probably 3 here. So I probably got about 11, 12 acres of trees. There's the horizon. Yeah, I wish I could send you this direct, but I have no internet yet. I'm working on that. There seems to be a discrepancy on the street that I live on. It's called PD Road North. But when mail comes here, it comes to PD Highway. And when I call up these carriers for internet, they don't have my address on PD Road North. So tomorrow I'm gonna try to give them PD Highway and see if I get service. Because the guy 400 feet down the road, he has internet, or internet cable, whatever he's got. He's got HTC. So I called up HTC and they couldn't find my address. I called up Dish, Dish people use. I called up Viasat. And so that's the driveway coming in. There's a little, I guess that's vibration that you're seeing. And this is a guy over here. He does all the butchering for like deer and hogs and stuff. So if I catch something, I said, if I call you up 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, that's the end of the video. I said, you'll, no problem? He said, yeah, no problem. So a little video of the kitchen. All right, Tina, I'll try to send it to you. If it's not, I'll put it on YouTube and then figure out how I'm gonna get it to you without internet.